Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer your Stellar tokens from Bitmart to your Arculus wallet in 2025. With crypto security being more important than ever, moving your assets to a hardware wallet like Arculus is a smart move to keep your funds safe. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and hassle-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, ensure you have your Bitmart account set up and your Arculus wallet initialized. Start by logging into your Bitmart account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Assets section and locate your Stellar XLM holdings. This is where the magic begins. Next, select the Stellar token and click on the Withdraw option. You'll be prompted to enter a wallet address. Head over to your Arculus wallet app, generate or copy the Stellar address, and paste it carefully into the field. Double-check for accuracy to avoid any costly errors. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible. Now, specify the amount of Stellar you want to transfer. Be mindful of any network fees, which for Stellar are typically low, and ensure you're using the correct network, in this case, the Stellar network. Review all the details one last time, then hit Confirm to initiate the transaction. You'll receive a confirmation email or notification from Bitmart. While you wait for the transfer to process, usually just a few minutes, switch to your Arculus wallet. Check the transaction history or incoming funds section to verify that your Stellar has arrived. If everything goes smoothly, you're all set. A quick word of caution: always prioritize security by using two-factor authentication and never share your private keys. That's it for this guide. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there. See you in the next video.